In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Facebook ads accounts from Facebook Business Manager. To get started, head over to Meta Business Suite and log in with your Facebook credentials. Make sure you are signing into the correct business profile, especially if you manage more than one business or client account. Starting in the right place will help you avoid creating the ad account under the wrong business portfolio later on. Once you are inside the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This will open your Business Settings area. This section is where you manage the structure of your business assets, including ad accounts, pages, people, and permissions, so it's the right place for this setup. After that, go to the left-hand column and find the Accounts section. Under Accounts, click on Add Accounts. This page will show you any ad accounts that are already connected to your business. And it's also where you can create and organize additional ones. If your goal is to separate campaigns by brand, project, or team, this is the area you'll use. Next, click the blue Add button on the right side. A drop-down menu will appear from the options at the top of the list. Select Create a new ad account. This tells Meta that you are not claiming an existing account and not requesting access to someone else's account, but instead creating a brand new one directly inside your business manager. Then click Next. You will be asked to choose the business portfolio that will own the new ad account. This step is important because ownership determines where the account lives and who can manage it. Select the correct business portfolio carefully and then click Create to continue. Once the new ad account has been created, the next step is to assign people and set their roles or permissions for that account. Give access only to the people who need it and make sure each person has the right level of permission based on what they will actually be doing. For example, some users may only need to view performance, while others may need full management access. Finally, add your payment method, so the ad account is ready to run campaigns. Without a valid payment method, you won't be able to launch ads successfully. Double-check that everything looks correct before moving on. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.